We're looking for children's practitioners that are passionate about transforming the lives of children and families. As part of our rollout of family safeguarding in Wandsworth, we're recruiting 8 children's practitioners who will work in multidisciplinary teams, trying to achieve the best outcomes for children and families. You will have skills and abilities in forming relationships, building relationships of trust and working alongside families, and sticking with families through crises and difficult times to ensure that they are supported as far as possible to raise their children well and to raise their children safely. It's a really exciting opportunity. These are brand new roles to us, and there is a phenomenal opportunity to learn alongside other multidisciplinary specialists, including domestic abuse specialists, substance misuse specialists, mental health clinicians, as well as children's social workers. If you're interested in these new roles and finding out more about the innovations that are happening in Wandsworth at this time, please click on the link below and we would be delighted to hear from you.